Hello guys, this is the Fujifilm x10. When I got this camera, the dial was stopped. It wasn't turning at all. So what I did, I bought this electronic cleaner and it really works. It works really good. So what I did, I just put I sprayed on the dial, I guess. I did that for like maybe 6-7 times. And then all you gotta do is just keep turning. Do that for 6-7 times. And yeah, it works pretty good for me. 'Cause when I got it, it was stuck. It wasn't moving at all. Alright, so this is how you fix the dial. Alright.